Why does your scanner show the P0746 engine code, and what does it mean?
P0746 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid A. Performance or stuck off. But what does that really mean? P0746. Engine error code indicates that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, in your vehicle has detected an issue with the Pressure Control Solenoid A. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Transmission fluid, transmission filter, Powertrain Control Module, wiring, connectors, transmission valve or pump, hydraulic fluid passages, transmission control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, Citroën, Chevrolet, Ford, Hyundai, Nissan, Peugeot, and Volkswagen vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.